We're introducing a new idea here, which is the homomorphism. So a mapping a theta from one group with binary operation start to another group with is a homomorphism if and this is the definition, okay, so if theta of x star y is equal to theta x hash theta y. Okay, so bear in mind x and y are in G. So x and y elements in G, and this is true for all elements in G. And theta x and theta y are in H because theta is mapping from G to H. Okay. So essentially, if we multiply the two elements together in G and then apply the homomorphism, that's the same as changing over the elements individually and then multiplying them together in the new group. So bear in mind these operations are different. Okay, this is the group operation in G. This is the group operation in H. So some extra little facts about homomorphisms. If a homomorphism is what we call bijective, I'll explain what that means in a second, then theta is isomorphism. So bijective mapping is the same as a bijective function, or a mapping function, almost the same thing. But anyway, so a bijective function means that every different element in, well, a bijective function is injective and surjective. Okay, I'll just define those two things. So injectivity means that every different element x in G maps to a different element in H. Okay, so none of them map to the same element in H. And surjective means every element in H, for every element in H, there exists some element in G such that we can map to it. Okay, and so a bijective function is both of these things, and I guess the other way you might describe it in functions would be one-to-one. Okay. And the reason isomorphisms are important because if two groups are isomorphic, they're essentially identical because every element in one of the groups maps to exactly one of the elements in the other group, and all the elements in that group are mapped to. So basically just shifting the group, but all the properties and such remain intact because of this bijective property. One more little thing. If theta maps not from G to another group H, but from G to G, from a group to itself, and is an isomorphism, then we give theta a special name. It's called an automorphism. Okay, that's what we're going to look at for now on homomorphisms. That will crop up in the future, and the main takeaway should be this idea of isomorphisms, which are really important. Okay, but we'll perhaps do some questions to show that homomorphisms and mappings are isomorphisms and the like in the upcoming video. So I hope to see you for them. Thanks for watching, and yeah, as always, let me know if you've got any questions in the comments. Please subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it, and I hope to see you in the next one.